JA3000, the latest model of LOKITHOR. 3000 amp LiFi technology. Not only technology, but high tech is inside. What does that mean? The battery inside the latest LOKITHOR is made from the same materials as your EV car around you. And what does it have advantage? Actually, it's quite simple. The batteries are not only safe, but they also allow you to have a super high discharge rate in the most cold conditions. So wherever you are, where conditions are extreme, this LOKITHOR will help you out. Of course, it still has all the function that you are used from LOKITHOR. So it has the double plug connection, super high duty, copper grip, and of course the tire inflate system with the 4 optional tire inflate parts to make sure all the car can be inflated the way they need to. Still simple to do, easy maintenance, waterproof, LED display and the light system as you're used from us. Full option, all in high tech. LOKITHOR.